Get ready to explore incredible bicycle inventions that you haven't seen yet. From foldable electric bikes and hubless wheels to pedal-powered phone chargers and airless tyres, these groundbreaking designs push the boundaries of innovation. Whether you're a commuter, adventurer, or tech enthusiast, these next-level bikes and accessories offer futuristic features, improved comfort, and unmatched performance. Discover the future of cycling with these amazing cutting-edge bicycle technologies. BikeOn. The BikeOn Cycle Click is an affordable dual-sided power meter that helps cyclists train smarter by providing real-time performance data. Track your power output in watts, cadence RPM, torque, and calories burned with precision. Its left-right balance feature highlights muscular imbalances, while independent leg measurement ensures pro-level insight. At under $200, is the most accessible power meter on the market. Installation is effortless, tool-free and done in seconds, staying true to BikeOn's plug-and-play philosophy. Whether you're chasing performance or just curious, CycleClick shows you exactly how hard you're working every ride. TannusArmour. The TannusArmour is a revolutionary tyre insert that offers up to 15 mm of puncture protection under the tread and 2 to 5 mm on the sidewalls using patented Aether foam. It eliminates up to 90% of flats caused by thorns, glass, and rim impacts. Designed for comfort and performance, it allows lower tyre pressure for improved grip, better handling, and vibration dampening. Even when punctured, it offers run-flat capability. Easy to install and highly durable, up to 7,000 km lifespan, TannusArmour is also optimised to handle the extra torque of e-bikes. Tiny Tyre Pump. The FlexTail. Tiny Tyre Pump ACS is a compact and lightweight electric pump ideal for cyclists and outdoor enthusiasts. Weighing just 125 grams and measuring 2.0 by 1.1 by 2.6 inches, it fits easily in a pocket or bike pack. Despite its small size, it delivers up to 120 psi and inflates tyres quickly. Key features include a digital display, automatic shut-off, and an LED taillight with multiple modes. It comes with valve adapters, a ball needle, and a USB-C charger, making it versatile, portable, and perfect for on-the-go inflation needs. Aleck Punks. The Aleck Punks are open-ear, wireless Bluetooth helmet speakers designed for cyclists and outdoor enthusiasts. Featuring Bluetooth 5.2, they deliver a stable connection with crisp audio while keeping your ears open for ambient sounds. Dual noise-cancelling microphones enable clear voice commands and calls, and touch controls let you manage music and calls easily. With IP65, water and dust resistance, a 12-hour battery life, and universal helmet compatibility, they're built for rugged use. The Aleck app adds group chat and location tracking, making Aleck Punks perfect for safety, communication, and entertainment on the go. String drive bikes. The string drive bikes, or string bikes, use a unique rope and pulley system instead of a traditional chain. This chainless design offers a smooth, oil-free ride with 19 non-overlapping gear ratios. Riders can shift gears while stationary or under load, making starts and climbs easier. The system also reduces the dead spot in the pedal stroke, boosting efficiency. Built with durable high-density polyethylene ropes, string bikes require less maintenance and eliminate the need for derailleurs. While slightly heavier and needing occasional rope replacements, they offer a quiet, innovative alternative to conventional drivetrain systems. Yerka. The Yerka bike, especially the Yerka Vol 3, is a theft-resistant urban bike with a patented frame-integrated lock system, eliminating the need for external locks. Its wheels use anti-theft nuts, requiring a special tool, adding security. The Yerka Electric enhances functionality with a 350-watt motor, Bluetooth connectivity, and a removable key-secured 360-watt-hour battery, offering up to 100 kilometers range. Designed for city commuting, it includes smart lights, internal gears, and reflective tire stripes. Available in black, white, turquoise, and gold, Yerka blends innovation with sleek design, making it ideal for secure, stylish urban mobility. MilKit Booster. The MilKit Booster is a compact, lightweight, tubeless tire inflator designed for quick and easy tire inflation without the need for bulky compressors or CO2 cartridges. It delivers a powerful air burst to seat even the most stubborn tubeless tires and doubles as a drinking bottle, saving space. Compatible with all Presta tubeless valves, it integrates seamlessly with MilKit systems. The durable booster head features reinforced materials for long-lasting use. Eco-friendly and easy to operate, it's ideal for riders seeking a portable, efficient, and cost-effective inflation solution on the go. TARRAN T1 Pro. The TARRAN T1 Pro is a high-tech electric cargo bike built for urban families. It features a stable 3-wheel design with automatic stabilization, dual 708 watt-hour batteries offering up to 200 kilometer range, and a recyclable cargo box that carries up to 200 kilograms. Its dynamic dual drive system deploys landing gear at low speeds for added safety. The bike includes a 5.2-inch Retina touchscreen, triple cameras with radar alerts, stepless Enviolo shifting, and a silent Gates carbon drive. Integrated Bluetooth speakers and smart TARRAN OS make each ride safer, smoother, and more enjoyable. Swytch MAX. The Swytch MAX is a powerful and compact e-bike conversion kit designed for easy installation on almost any bicycle. It features a 250-watt front motor wheel with 40 Nm torque and a handlebar-mounted Max power pack, offering up to 60 miles of range Max++. The kit supports wheel sizes from 16 inches to 29 inches, rim and disc brakes, and includes a pedal sensor for electric assist. It's waterproof, IPX6, road legal, and offers optional LED or OLED displays. Higher models include USB-C charging and lighting. Its zero-drag motor ensures effortless pedaling even without power. MAHLE M40. The MAHLE M40 is a high-performance mid-drive motor system built for electric mountain bikes. Delivering 105 Nm of torque and 850 watts peak power, it weighs just 2.5 kilograms, making it one of the lightest in its class. The M40 integrates with the MAHLE smart bike ecosystem, offering smooth natural support via advanced sensors and customizable settings through the My Smart Bike app. It's compatible with IM5 and IM8 batteries for extended range and features traction control, hill brake, and reduced vibration thanks to its decoupling mounting system, ensuring optimal handling on tough trails. CYCLOTRON bike. The CYCLOTRON bike is a revolutionary, hubless road bike packed with futuristic features. It sports a space-grade carbon fibre frame, airless tyres, and an 18-speed electronic gearbox. Its standout hubless wheels offer space for accessories like baskets or a child seat. Smart tech includes a self-charging battery, integrated lighting, GPS tracking, and real-time ride data via sensors. A quad-lock phone mount enables wireless charging and app integration for navigation and accident alerts. With chainless transmission, hydraulic brakes, and anti-theft features, the CYCLOTRON redefines high-tech cycling with style, safety, and performance. TRIS-Bike. The TRIS-Bike is a high-performance three-wheeled tilting e-bike designed for stability, agility, and urban practicality. Its innovative tilting system allows riders to lean into curves like a two-wheeler while enjoying the balance of three wheels. It features KERS regenerative braking, a 250-watt, 500-watt peak rear hub, motor by ZEHUS, and a 173 watt-hour battery that charges in 3 hours. With 3 loading points and a max capacity of up to 75 kilograms, it's ideal for urban transport. Smart features include app connectivity, integrated lights, and tool-free assembly for a smooth, customizable ride. Acerebii. The Acerebii is a smart e-bike built for urban mobility, featuring AI-powered assistance, a modular design, and low-maintenance components. Its AI system learns rider habits and terrain to optimize motor output and battery life. Weighing just 16 kilograms, the bike features airless, puncture-proof tires and a carbon belt drive that requires no lubrication. The removable 460 watt-hour battery doubles as a portable charger. Additional highlights include rear radar for collision alerts, GPS tracking, Bluetooth locking, integrated lighting, and a minimalist frame with a smart LED display for real-time ride data. GazelleMakki Travel. The GazelleMakki Travel is a versatile electric cargo bike built for heavy-duty transport and daily use. Equipped with a Bosch cargo line motor, 85 1mm, it features a spacious rear cargo rack, low-step aluminum frame, and Magura ABS brakes for added safety. With battery options up to 800 watt-hours, it ensures extended range. Its SR Suntour suspension fork and stepless belt drive offer a smooth ride. Walk assist, reflective stickers, and integrated lights enhance usability. With a 250 kilogram load capacity and robust design, it's ideal for errands, deliveries, or urban logistics. Varibike. The Varibike is an innovative bicycle that combines cycling, hand cycling, and rowing into one dynamic ride. It allows users to propel themselves using their legs, arms, or both, offering multiple drive modes like traditional pedaling or synchronized arm-leg rowing. This full-body workout engages more muscles and boosts power output. Ideal for fitness, rehabilitation, or fun, the Varibike suits riders of all abilities, including those with leg impairments. Its versatile design supports endurance training, body shaping, and cardiovascular health. With Varibike, cycling becomes a more powerful and inclusive fitness experience. Photon PRO. The Photon Pro spans across several innovative products. The Photon Pro laser module by Pro Photonics features an IP67 rated stainless steel housing, compact 12mm cylindrical design, digital control, and a predictive maintenance system via a near end-of-life indicator. The Roselsa Photon Pro IEMs offer immersive audio with an 8mm dynamic driver, ergonomic build, detachable cable, and cross-platform compatibility. Meanwhile, the Anycubic Photon Mono M7 Pro 3D printer boasts 14K resolution, leveling-free technology, high-speed printing up to 170mm per hour, and resin residue detection, delivering exceptional precision and convenience for resin-based 3D printing. Allpacka One. The Allpacka One is a foldable cargo box that turns any bike into a cargo bike in just 1 second. With a 30-litre volume and 20-kilogram load capacity, it's perfect for groceries, packages, or daily commuting. Its origami-style design folds flat to just 26 centimeters wide and weighs only 2.5 kilograms. It attaches securely to most pannier racks and works with brands like Ortlieb and Thule. When folded, it still supports hanging panniers and acts as a platform. It includes accessories like a cargo net, shopping bags, and a rain cover, ideal for sustainable urban transport. Lion Box. The Lion Box is Publicis Group's secure cloud-based collaboration tool built on the Box platform. It enables employees, contractors, and clients to seamlessly share files, assign tasks, comment, and collaborate without the need for VPN access. With mobile support, 150 GB file uploads, unlimited storage, versioning, and Box AI integration, Lionbox enhances productivity across agencies and regions. Users can preview files online, collaborate via Box hubs, and access data through the desktop integrated Box drive. Whether replacing email attachments or powering virtual teams, Lionbox transforms how Publicis Group connects and works, anytime, anywhere, with anyone.